today some of the animals will be competing in hide and seek, and the loser has to go into Cobalt's toilet. And if you didn't already know, Cobalt is a bird, and his toilet really smells.
And first Cobalt is going to be seeking for all the other players, and the people that are hiding are Purple Bear,
Pikachu, Julius, Finn, Tasmane,
and
Black Bear.
Black Bear and Orc.
So we've just started doing videos like this. We are going to continue. There are more animals, don't worry. Okay. Cobalt, you count to 20. Don't peek. You shouldn't trust Cobalt. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is everyone ready? I just start coming anyways. Who are these people?
Okay.
The loser also gets my BDR. Found you, Purple Bear. I'll find all the others, then you can suffer your toilet challenge. Finn, found you. This is really easy. Is that Black Bear? Who thinks that I am Sigma?
Nobody.
Where would he be? Pikachu! Bye-bye. How many are there? 1, 2, 8, what? I can't count. How many people is that?
4.
4?
And there are 8 people to find. Wait, no,
So
7.
that's 7. So that's 10 more?
No, you're halfway.
Seriously.
Yeah.
5?
3 people left.
Okay. Now that Cobalt's searching, who do you think will win? Do you remember the competitors from the start? There are a few left. Okay.
The
Cobalt's
competitors
looking
are
now.
Orc, Tasmane and Julius.
Yeah. Where are they? I'm tired. Found you, Julian. I'm trying.
Now you have Orc and Tasmane.
Yeah. No. Where is he? Oh, Tasmane found you, bozo. Aha.
Now we only have Orc.
And why is the punishment going on my toilet? I mean, it's perfectly clean. Whatever. Orc. He's tiny though, this is unfair. Guess what, guys? I quit. Hee hee hee. Night night. Cobalt really sucks. Wait. What did I just see? Is it here?
Nothing?
Fine, here.
No, Nothing? He said nothing.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'll just keep looking then.
He's not here.
Where is he? Wait. Hello, Orc. I just found you. Oh. So,
I was trying to spy on you.
I think Purple Bear should go on the toilet. But obviously,
I'm the winner.
who should go?
Who shall get the beady eye?
Yeah. Well,
Okay, he's going on the toilet now.
Purple Bear. Don't worry, it's not smelly, mate.
I actually need it.
Ah. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.